This might be one of the most complete Vermont properties we've seen. Nearly 65 acres, a new log home, a guest-ready space, and direct trail access. Built in 2022 and finished in 2023, this striking post and beam home blends modern comfort with true Vermont lifestyle potential. Perfect spot to unwind. Inside, the home is thoughtfully designed for both daily living and entertaining. The main level features a functional mudroom and laundry area connecting the heated garage to the home, leading into an open-concept kitchen, dining, and living space filled with natural light. The primary suite is conveniently located on the main floor, complete with a walk-in closet and a tiled shower. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a loft overlooking the living area provide flexible space for guests, family, or a home office. Comfort is built in with radiant heat powered by a propane boiler, along with a propane stove that adds warmth and charm to the living room. Additional features include a 200-amp electrical service, shared drilled well, and private septic system. Beyond the main home, the oversized 4-bay detached garage and workshop offer incredible functionality. Above it, a finished and heated space includes a kitchen, bathroom, and office, perfect for guests, extended family, or even rental potential. With direct access to VAST and VASA trail systems, this property is ideal for year-round outdoor adventure. Offering space, versatility, and modern construction, this Vermont property delivers a complete lifestyle in one exceptional setting.